scientist. I'm going to show you my magic. I have a paper. Now let us see. See that? Did you see that? How to do it? I will tell you. I got here sanitizer and I am going to put off here 3 dots. Now take a match box and light it. Now take a paper and do it. I hope you all like this trick. Try it in your house, but take care. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in another video. Bye. Hello friends, welcome to back to Inna Junior. Now let us see. See that? Now I have a sanitizer at the top.